Right behind me is a beautiful house. It's a pre-owned that just hit the market. It's built in 2022 in an area with hard growth, big established trees. We are in Hickory Creek today, which is just over the bridge from Frisco and Little Elm. And this house is on 1 acre. It's got an incredible attach rate of 1.67. It is in a community that you're seeing a lot of scrape and build. So older established neighborhood that has older single-story homes from like the 60s and 70s. People are scraping those things and building, just like behind me in the house that we're gonna see. This house has everything. It even has a pond. One of the best kitchens I think Patrice and I have seen, at least in the top 10. And this thing, oh my heart, can't wait to show you. So let's jump on inside. Here we go. All right, so as we walk in, you'll notice that's a little different is it has the cedar planks and not the brick exterior, which is unique here for Texas, but I love the gray and white. It's really clean looking. And like I said, this house is 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 3,061 square feet. All right, as we walk in, what are your first impressions, Patrice?
I already love this place. I really do. Well, first of all, just being outside is phenomenal.
Yeah.
That whole area is calm, serene, beautiful.
So this whole area is kind of rejuvenating itself. Here is the formal dining room. Now, this particular house doesn't have a dedicated office. So Patrice and I, in our conversations, were thinking this is something that you could, if you put maybe some French doors or something like that, you can make this kind of your office if you don't need a formal dining, because there's another area that could be utilized. As you come on through here are the 2 secondary bedrooms. Good size, I would say they're oversized, and I love the flooring.
Oh my gosh, it is so solid. It's beautiful.
The closet is good sized closet.
Oh, it's got a nice little window in there. Lots of space, little cubbies and things. I do love these windows. They're really, really nice. You've got so much light coming through there.
And just the neighborhood, look at how you've got the slopes and the topography. It's just something that you don't get a lot of in North Texas.
No, it's true. And then you've got this cool cabinet right next to you here.
And everything is just brand new and soft close.
Yeah.
So
solid, very nice.
Solid core doors. Everything's just fresh and clean. Look at this secondary bath.
This is really, really pretty.
It's got a big, deep tub and shower combo.
That is very nice. There's a lot of space in here.
Yeah, you just tell the quality how thick these doors are. These are the sort of things that I look at when I'm looking at this price point and acre house.
Exactly. Yeah, these doorways are very wide too. These aren't your normal size doors.
Now we don't have the survey with us, but our belief is that this acre is more wide than it is deep. And then that pond is yours.
Yeah.
And on the other side of that pond is another white picket fence, which outlines your property.
Yeah, we'll go out and take a look at that back area. Very nice.
Very nice.
Look at how high these ceilings are too.
Yeah, the feeling that you get in this house is great.
And it's got so much personality, which you don't see a whole lot anymore.
Because they've taken the old and blended it with the new.
Yeah.
Look at how high these ceilings are. Now you're in the family area. You've got high, deep ceilings. And then look at this fireplace.
I know, it's so cool.
This wood burning fireplace is really cool. It's got that modern touch, right? So it's all updated. It's got the built-ins, like this is very old school.
Yeah.
Like 50s kind of style,
but
yet
works.
it's modern.
Yeah, yeah. And then they've got 2 spots in the floor for your plugs, which is really nice. You can have lamps on either side of your couch.
I love how you have this, it's a patio, but it's almost like looks like a porch. And that backyard view again with the topography. So here, now we're coming into the kitchen area. And look at this. I mean, 2 islands.
I know.
And it's just very well done.
There's so much cabinet space in here. I wouldn't even know what to
you have cabinetry for days. And everything is just well pointed.
Most of these cabinets have these pull-out drawers.
Yeah, like 80% of them.
And then
it's, like I said, it's all soft close. I love that.
Yeah, look at how pretty this all is.
You've got your double ovens, your microwave. I like the microwave is separate, yet it's not so low that I can't not read what I'm trying to make.
Yeah.
You know, it's got your spice rack, it's got your
utensil rack.
Utensils,
yeah.
I mean, it's got everything that your modern house is. It's because it is a new house.
And then it's got that cool spot right behind you.
And then it's got this, right? Which they have it categorized as a library. Like if you don't have a real formal workspace that you need, then this may work.
Well, there's another little one over there too, if you just need a little bit of space.
If you just need to do bills and stuff like that. But this has got the fireplace, it's got all the built-ins. It's got a spot for your TV. So you could be a sitting area or it could be an office, however you prefer. Or you can even maybe do it as a dining room. If you turn that dining room into your office, there's nothing to say you couldn't make this a dining room.
Yeah, I mean, the possibilities are endless for sure in this place.
Then you've got your breakfast area right here, right? Which is really cool, off of a sunroom, which is really nice. But then on the other side, you've got your snack closet. And take a look at this. I mean, this is definitely Costco approved.
Look at all the shelving, adjustable shelving, which is nice, so you could put anything.
It's adjustable. You've got outlets in here, but I mean, you can put your Keurig and maybe your air fryer and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You don't want to see your toaster maybe, so you keep your counters.
So nice. I do like too, another little touch is this backsplash right here. If you can see it, matches these bottom cabinets perfectly. It's so pretty.
Yeah. I really like it. Then over here, you've got your utility room. I'd say perfect size. You've got all your cabinets and stuff to hide all your stuff. This has got central vac.
I was just gonna say that because I saw that.
Yeah, and it's got your sink. That sink looks pretty deep. Oh yeah, it's real deep.
Yeah, you want me to get that? Let's see. Let's show everybody. Yeah.
So overall, just a really good. I love the flooring.
Yeah, that's fun.
It brings kind of like this, you know,
whimsy.
I was gonna say whimsical, but then I didn't. I'm like, I don't know how manly that is, Andy. Maybe you shouldn't
You
say.
can say whimsy. It's all right.
Here is that kind of pay your bills, little office. Maybe you're retired, so you don't need a full office.
I don't know if you're just working on your laptop or something.
Yeah, or you don't.
Nice,
yeah, you don't work from home traditionally. Then that might be a good space.
You got a nice little area here to hang your coats and things.
And then again, your property line goes all the way to this white picket fence.
We will go out there and get some good video of that for everybody. But this is a top-notch kitchen. A
top-notch. One, I would say it's definitely in the top 10 of kitchens that we've ever seen.
Yeah, you know, we go into a lot of houses.
Every day we go into a lot of houses.
Every day, and this one, there's something that speaks to me.
Here's your patio. Now one thing, this isn't like...
Oh yeah, they'd have to fix that.
Yeah, there's something that's a little shaky.
Oh, I like it because it has doors that go to the primary.
But then you come out and it just feels so good to be out here. Lots of space, and like I said, it's wider than it is deeper. But it goes all past these trees and into that area right there beyond the pond.
Look at this.
You've just got different levels to it. Look at all the flowers right there. They're all bunched up.
pretty.
I would call them lilies, but I know they're not. But
No.
that's what it kind of gives me a look.
Irises. That's
Irises,
what those are.
okay. Look at the house right here. That's a new scrubbed and rebuilt house just like this one is. But you're surrounded by areas that, you know, are just little single story homes or whatnot that are older. Nice, but still just older with that old style. But this is just a really cool vibe. I love it.
It really is.
Because you get new construction, but on an acre, close to everything. You've got everything at your 5 minutes away.
But
just
you
like you would in
feel
a
like
neighborhood.
you're out in the middle of
But you feel
the
like
country.
you're out in the middle of the country. You've got big, giant,
Established
trees.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
a huge thing.
It's just a different vibe out here. Let's go take a look at that primary.
Oh yeah, we got to do that.
All right, so now we come into the primary, and look at this thing is oversized. And again, the hardwood, everything is just solid. And it's a big, giant bedroom. Everything that you would expect. You put the bed right here, You've got your TV right here, and then you've got plenty of space for, you know, a vanity or whatnot. But then look at this, Patrice.
Oh, wow.
Take this in. I wish they would have continued this all the way. That would have really set it off.
Oh yeah, that'd be really pretty.
But it's still very nice.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
You know what? In fact, so I don't know if you could see the shape of this bathtub. There, it's got a cool shape to it. It's even got its own little niche. You never see that. I'm gonna show this tile up close. It's really, really pretty tile.
Oh, look at inside. It's got the river rock floor.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's got a little niche right here, which is kind of
And then
strange.
2 on the other side.
And 2.
That's for like your, you know, loofah and things like that.
Oh.
Oh, it has lights we didn't even turn on. There's
No.
so much light in here we didn't even know we
Yeah, you
needed
don't
one.
even need it.
I like that window opens. That's nice.
Yeah, you can get
Get
all the
steam
steam
out
out. But I love the countertops. I just love the look and style of this. I mean, you've got a lot of cabinetry, and like I said, it's all soft close,
Yeah.
all real nice looking. Everything's polished and clean. You've got all that. And then look at this closet.
Beautiful. Really, really well done. I'm gonna show the flooring because I don't think I did. And then the closet.
Giant closet with built-ins already. Again, Patrice likes an idea of putting an ottoman here or maybe like an island.
I do.
Soft close, they didn't spare any expense all the way through.
You know what else I like that you never see? They have a fan in here. You know when you're getting dressed and it's hot on these Texas summers, that would be very nice to have.
This is one that if you're looking to be kind of in the middle of everything, one of the problems that, you know, buying acreage property in North Texas is or anywhere, is you tend to be further out, right? This is right in the heart of everything. You're 10 minutes into Frisco, so this has a lot to offer. It has a 1.67 property tax, which is crazy. No HOA, so it has a lot going for it. If you're interested in something like this, definitely reach out to us. Hit the Dream Home form below, give us a call, and again, comment below. Let us know what you think of this house. What do you think it should be priced at? Because I'll be honest with you, it's a little difficult to run comps here because everything is so changing. People don't sell around here. I pulled a comp for this whole area for a year and only one home is sold.
Oh my goodness, well that says a lot about this area.
That says a real lot. It makes it difficult to price, especially in this kind of uncertain market we're in, but it's incredible.
Also, if there's a specific spot you want to see us do an acre home in, let us know because we would love to check out. I mean, that's just what we do.
Yeah.
Check them all out. So
that's what we do anyway. So, but it would be nice to know what you guys want us to look at. If there's one of these acre properties that is on your mind, hit us up. Comment below and we'll go take care of that. Like I said, we are here. We specialize in 1 acre lots. So if that is of interest to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we put out a video, which is every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.